Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to test your antifreeze. Antifreeze is also called coolant, and over time it can break down and may not protect your engine the way it should. Here are a few simple steps you can take to determine whether your coolant is still doing its job, especially before winter where old or over-diluted coolant can freeze and cause engine damage. First, make sure your vehicle's engine has been off for a few hours or overnight. A hot cooling system is pressurized, and opening it can cause antifreeze to spray out and cause injury. Feel the radiator or hoses with the back of your hand to ensure that the system is cool. Once you're sure it's safe, remove the radiator cap or coolant reservoir cap. Use a flashlight to visually inspect the coolant level and condition. If your vehicle doesn't have an overflow tank, the level might be a little lower to allow for expansion at operating temperature. Antifreeze comes in several different colors, but its appearance should be slightly transparent. If it looks milky or has particles floating in it, the system may need to be drained and flushed to remove the contamination. If the problem persists, it could indicate an issue like a blown head gasket or other problems that may require professional service. If the coolant looks clear and clean, the next step is to check the coolant to water ratio. Your vehicle's manufacturer will specify the ratio of water to coolant that your engine needs, and you can buy a simple tester to let you know whether that ratio is where it should be. Be sure to read the instructions for your tester before use. Your tester may include color-coded balls or a needle to show the ratio and protection level. Use the tube and the bulb of your tester to draw some coolant into the tester. Then use the gauge to determine freeze and boil over protection levels. If the coolant shows a freeze point of greater than -34 degrees or a boil over point of less than 265 degrees Fahrenheit, additional service or adding pure, undiluted coolant to correct the ratio may be needed. Too much coolant in the ratio can also cause a low freeze point, and it may need to be diluted. Top off the coolant level with the appropriate type and mixture if it is low but passes the test, or add pure antifreeze or distilled water if needed to balance the ratio. If for any reason your coolant needs to be completely drained and refilled, you can find an instructional video here on our how-to hub. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.